So you've probably heard this before, but only 1% of the corn grown in the U.S. is sweet corn, that we all love to eat. The other 99% of corn grown is field corn or dent corn. Some people may not realize it, but a lot of field corn is grown throughout our country, and especially in the Corn Belt. In the U.S., in 2008, 86 million acres of corn were planted. An acre of corn is about the size of a football field, so can you imagine 86 million football fields? That is a lot of land. Last year in Illinois, 12.1 million acres of field corn were planted, which is a lot for one state. Now, on the flip side, there were only 617,350 acres of sweet corn planted last year. So you can see that a lot more field corn is planted in the U.S. each year. In Illinois, there is only 7,000 acres of sweet corn planted, which is definitely less than 1% of the corn grown in the state. Now, when the corn is harvested in the fall, it is measured in units called bushels. 1 bushel equals 56 pounds of corn, which is around 72,800 kernels of corn. In 2008, the U.S. produced 12.1 billion bushels of field corn. That is a lot of corn. All of this corn was worth $49.6 billion. Illinois produced 2.1 billion bushels, which ranked number 2 in the whole country. If you want to think about it in simpler terms, think of it this way. Last year, Illinois produced enough corn to fill a train of boxcars from Illinois to Hong Kong, which is over 7,600 miles. Can you imagine that much corn? All that corn was worth $8.1 billion. Now, if you look at sweet corn, it is hard to even compare the two. Only 240 million bushels of sweet corn were produced last year, and it was worth $1.1 billion. In Illinois, only 991,428 bushels were produced, and it was worth $15.4 million. So you can definitely see that there's a lot of corn grown in the United States, especially field corn. All that corn is also worth a lot of money, and is one reason why the agriculture industry is so important to our country.